Hey guys, this is Brie Halo here, and this is my reindeer inspired makeup tutorial. All the products used today will be listed throughout the video. Music used will be listed at the end of the video. Please remember to like this video, give it a furry thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on other social media that I may or may not have, share with friends, family, etc. And as always, leave any comments or requests for future makeup tutorials. Now, I was kind of going like a Christmassy sort of vibe, I guess, because everybody's posting like wintry sort of themed stuff. So this isn't real fur that I'm wearing, it's just a polyester vest thing that I've turned upside down, so it kind of looks like a coat thing, but literally it's not. I've just put it on upside down so I look like I had more of a coat, hoodie thingy, wintry thing going on.